Hey there folks, Chuck here, and as you can see by the return address, I've got a very special delivery today from Mr. Opa out there in Missouri. And he is a legend among builders, and I'm very honored that he sent me a package. We're doing a little wheeling and dealing here. He saw some stuff in our recent unboxing video that he liked, and I think this is some of the stuff that he's sending me as trade. I will have to confirm with him afterwards, but didn't want to open this without it being on camera, because what's the point of opening a package if there aren't people there to see it? So, okay, let's see what he got. There's a lot of paper. That's good. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Very neatly wrapped. Thank you, Opa. So, Opa has been a awesome supporter of the channel and has hired me to do quite a few bits of decal work for him. And I think I've done some 3D printing for him too. So, very cool. High beam. This is one of the few fantasy cars that I actually really like. So, it's always good to have these. Thank you. And Opa knows I love a good square body. There's another one. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Oh. What do we got here? It's like the later version of the, this was like an ice cream truck, and now it's more of a food truck. These are great. Lots of great customizing potential there. I don't think I have this version. Interesting. That's a very interesting figure. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Mini Cooper. Very cool. The classic Mini. It's a great casting. Lots of customization potential in it. And it's got that wild single seat interior. This looks like a Porsche of some kind. I'm not Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers, so I'm not as well versed in Porsches. This looks like, yeah, GT3 RS. Very cool. I like this one because it's got the lensed headlights, which is getting rarer and rarer on Hot Wheels cars. Let's see what else we got. Looks like an off-roader. Some kind. Oh, this is a cool one. I don't have this one. Actually, I'm not really familiar with it at all. Let's see what we got. Oh, I think I just bent the wheels. No biggie. Sandivore. Yeah, I don't have this one. That's a great rear engine. Pretty much a Volkswagen air-cooled looking setup. Now, I'm going to put custom wheels on it anyway. Very cool. Love the lensed fog lights up front. Oh, another favorite casting of mine, the 77 Dodge van. My parents actually had one of these. That was one of the first cars that I rode around in. I think it was a 77. It was close to it, if not. It was still the round headlights. It might have been a 71 now that I'm thinking about it, but it was still the same setup. Oh, this is a great one too. This is another one I love. The Auburn boat tail. That one's definitely seen better days, but that will be perfect for my garage. And the Torino Stalker. Oh, I love this one. This might actually be my favorite casting. Just because I love this this design, the arrow and the 3 on the side, and yeah, and I actually have the restoration decals from Second Chance Redline, so I can actually restore this one. That would be a fun project. Maybe do a restoration plus, because I think it would be really cool to do a very realistic version of it with the decals or the tampos. Let's see. Oh, I see a Morata Stalker in here. Another one of my favorites. Look at that. That's actually in pretty nice shape. Oh, yeah, I love all the Stalkers. And yes, the front running Fairmont. This is another one of my favorite castings, just because it's like, you know, the Fairmont was such a humble car for the most part. And it's one of those cars that I'm just like, really? That got a die cast? Okay. But it's a very cool casting. I love these Blackwell era metal cars. And so these three are, oh, that is wonderful. So thank you, sir. And last but not least, let's see what's in here. Looks like we got the, this looks like the Alkene Alpine. Alkene. Yep, this is that new one. The A110. That's very cool. Actually did a really good job on the tampos on this one. Like, they really look good. It's got a nice license plate. It's a very good looking car. And it's another one I definitely don't have. The Exotique. Ho ho ho. Oh, very fun. That'd be a cool cyberpunk car. So, anyway, just wanted to share this little unboxing with you. Thank you, Opa. Thanks for being a good supporter and a good friend. He really means a lot to me, and he means a lot to the Diecast community. So, wanted to give him a shout out. Please check out his channel in the description below. I'm sure if you're following me, you've probably already followed him. But if you haven't, give it a whirl. He's a really good restorer and a great builder, and I just love his personality in his videos, and it's definitely worth the check. So, as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So, until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.